Afternoon Rutgers. My name is Sade Orange, here to give you your Thursday, October 1st, 2015 forecast. As you can kind of tell, the temperatures kind of drastically dropped into the 60s, not compared to the last few weeks in September when we were around the 90s and the 80s. So right now it's very comfortable outside, so comfortable that you can wear your boots or you can wear a nice jacket. So right now we're at 60 degrees, our dew point is around 50 degrees, and our humidity is around 64%. So we're a little bit moist outside right now. We have winds north-northeast at 7 miles per hour, and we did see 1/100th of an inch of precipitation over the last 24 hours, but nothing too significant, and we're still in overcast conditions. So taking a look at our headlines for this afternoon, we will see showers moving in around 5 p.m. and lingering on into the rest of the night. We do have a coastal flood advisory for today that will turn into a coastal flood watch for tomorrow, and that's due to this cold front system that was moving in our area. And then we also have Hurricane Joaquin, which just recently by the National Hurricane Center turned into a Category 4 storm. We do see winds around 145 miles per hour. We have the pressure steadily dropping around 932 millibars, and we do see the winds currently right now at northwest at 13 miles per hour. So it's a very slow moving hurricane, but it's a Category 4, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. Now taking a look at our current temperatures for New Jersey, we see that we're mostly in the lower 60s and upper 50s for this afternoon. We see our warmer spots are Camden and Newark around 62 degrees. We see New Brunswick and Atlantic City around 60 degrees. Wildwood and Toms River coming in around 57, Sussex 59, and Millville at 58. So taking a look at our 3-hour SAT-RAD loop, we can see that precipitation band moving along northeastern part of Pennsylvania, giving us some moderate to severe showers, not too significant. And then we also see this band of precipitation moving along the southern parts of New Jersey that will affect our area around 5 p.m. Now looking at the watches and warnings for our area, we do see that New Jersey is in a coastal flood advisory, which will turn into a coastal flood watch for tomorrow. We do see that there's a gale warning along the coast, and parts of Maryland and Washington, D.C. are sitting at a flash flood watch. So we just want to keep you aware of these watches and warnings that are in our area. Now taking a look at our futurecast, we see Hurricane Joaquin in around the Bahamas and slowly moving up the Atlantic Ocean. We do see some parts of the Carolinas that will receive some of that precipitation of that storm. And as you stay tuned for more forecast, you will see that this Hurricane Joaquin is going to turn into a tropical storm and affect the Virginia, New Jersey, and Carolinas area. So for this evening planner, we can expect around 6 p.m. we will see some showers, likely around 58 degrees. Then we drop into the lower 50s at 56 around 9 p.m. We'll still see that rain lingering, and then around 12 a.m. we'll have some rain on and off around 55 degrees. So for tonight, we're going to drop down to lower 50s at 53 degrees. The winds will be northeast around 14 miles per hour, and there will still be some rain. And then tomorrow, we see no fluctuation in the temperatures. We have our morning high at 53 degrees. We do see the winds northeast at 18 miles per hour, so it will be windy outside. We will see some overcast conditions and some slight chance of precipitation. So as I step out for our extended forecast, we see that tonight we're going to drop down into the lower 50s at 53 degrees. Friday, we do see some intermittent rain, a high 55, a low 50. Saturday, we're going to see very breezy conditions. We're going to have a high 58, a low 57. The winds are going to be around 20 miles per hour. And as well as for Sunday, the winds are still going to stay around the 20 miles per hour northeast, around a high 65, a low 58. Monday, we still see that rain in our area, high of 70, a low of 56, and that's all due to Hurricane Joaquin, which will turn into a tropical storm. Tuesday, we were mostly cloudy, slight chance of precipitation, high of 73, a low of 55. So as you can see, we're warming up into the mid-70s. Wednesday, high 73, low 50, partly cloudy. And Thursday, we do see that break where we have some nice sun at a high of 74. And as always, you can check us out on RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at WeatherWatcher or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW using our hashtag RUWeather. And for more information, please visit weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. My name is Sade Orange, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon, Rutgers.